All right, in this video, we are going to figure out the focal length for our lens. So I have a magnifying glass here. And what I want to do is this is a ruler essentially. This is a board that has inches on it on the side here. But you can use just a ruler or even a piece of paper and mark the paper from the edge. So what I'm going to do here is take my magnifying glass, and I'm starting really close and it seems in focus, but what I'm going to do is pull it out even further, and there we go. We can see my light source. My light source is a ring light with little LEDs all in it, so that's why it looks like that shape. And what you'll notice is if you slightly tilt it up or down, certain parts of it will go out of focus. So that's why it's really important to have your screen inside your camera as level to the lens as possible. So what I'm going to do is pull this closer until the whole image becomes in focus as much as I can. All right, so bring it down, and that is about 9 inches. So I'm going to write 9 inches on a piece of paper. And then what I'm going to do, so at 9 inches, it's pretty focused. And then I need to put something closer because that's several feet away. So what I'm going to do is put my hand closer. So my hand is maybe 2 or 3 feet. So now I'm going to move let me move it more in front of the light. And you basically move it until your silhouette of your hand becomes focused. I think I'll move it a little further. So this is about 3 feet. There we go, right in there. So that's at 11 inches, about 11.5 just to be safe. So I have 9 inches to 11.5 inches. So that is about the range that I want to have inside of my camera. So when I take a look at this, where my screen falls inside of my camera, I'm gonna want that to be 9 to 11 inches from my lens. So if I put my lens on here, I want this distance to change. So this will slide in and out, and that's 2.5 inch difference. So it can slide out 2.5 inches. You can zoom it in all the way. Oops. And measure from the front of the lens here to your screen. So if you zoom this in as far as you would put it, you want to make sure that that's at 9 inches. And then when you zoom it out, it'll increase that distance. So this stays the same, but this now is going to be closer to 11.5 or 12 inches. And that is how you figure out where to put your screen inside of your camera.